Good afternoon, Miss.
Good afternoon, Miss.
Okay, so today we'll start evaluation. I will ask from science without opening the laptop.
Okay, Miss.
What is repel?
Repel is to push something away. Repel, it means like when you push 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 away something from yours. So it means like it can repairs when a magnet, when the magnet facing to another magnet with the wrong way, so they are will be they are will be repel, like that means.
Flip.
Flip is turn something over quickly. So flip, it means like when you turn when you turn something over quickly. For example, when you cook a pancake in a pan, you flip the pancake to cook another side, so the pancake will be ready to eat. So that is a
Maze.
flip.
Maze.
Maze is a fun way puzzle. So with pet you follow, and then you follow. So you find your way, and then uh, you find your way, and then later you don't get losing, don't not getting loose like that.
Attracts.
Attracts attracts is to stay away from attract to stay away from no. attract attract is to pull. Attract is when you pull something toward you. So when you attract something, it means like when the object will be toward or close with you. Okay, and then attract, it means like when a magnet will be attract some metal material.
Steel.
Steel is steel is strong metal for tools. Steel is um, steel is a very strong is a very strong is a very strong is a very strong types of metal of material of material. So we can use steel to make car, and then buildings, and then something strong in every day in our life.
Magnet.
Magnet is um, pulls metal object close. A magnet is when uh, magnet is a special object. So the magnet can be so the magnet can attract something to close to magnet, like that means.
Like what?
For example, like when when a mag when a magnet we can find in our life. For example, a magnet in our wallet. So the magnet can help the wallet to close. And then, for example, your bag have a magnet, so the magnet will help your bag to close.
Computer. Dust.
Dust is tiny bits of dirt. So dirt, yes, tiny bits, tiny bits of dirt. So dust is
Why don't you edit this?
I have said actually to Miss Devi, to Miss Dia to edit the definition of the dust.
Debu. Right?
The definition, tiny bits of dirt. Why don't you discuss again to edit it? Don't you discuss this again? Tiny bits of dirt. If in bahasa like potongan-potongan kecil dari
Tiny
potongan.
bits. Tiny bits.
It's not really suitable, I think. So you don't discuss this. No. Okay, next. Dust
Okay.
is
Dust is tiny. So I can explain about how
that's
can
why I have
explain
asked you
this.
to discuss that first. It's not the how to say that?
I mean the small piece.
No. This is actually like a particle. Maybe you can say like dry dirt in the form of powder or dry dirt of a soil. That's right. The dust.
Powders.
Dry dirt in the form of powder or a very small dry pieces of soil. Do you know soil?
Yes, tanah.
A very small dry pieces of soil.
Okay.
Butiran-butiran halus dari tanah. Nah, that's better. Tiny bits of dirt. Dirt like. Okay, next. The additional explanation.
The additional explanation is dust is a small piece. Dust is a very small pieces of soil. So in dirty things, so we can find the dust in the dirty place, and then we can keep clean. To wipe the dust like that. Yes.
Avoid.
Avoid is to stay away from something. Avoid it means like when you push and then you push away something from it, and then you not too close or near to something like that.
Okay, next. Avoid. Avoid.
Avoid is to stay away from something. It means like when you're not too close or you near go for something. So avoid it means like when you must avoid something dangerous and to keep you stay safe.
So for English, what do you do for English?
In English, we have special activity, Miss. So in English special activity, I asked the student to make a poster and then make a poster about draw part of our house, and then after you draw the part of our house, later you make the function of them.
My question is, the lesson is computer, right? Why the vocabulary is avoid, appears, dust? What is the topic actually?
About does or doesn't like that means how to keep our computer. So the vocabulary
How
list.
to keep our computer
Yeah.
clean, you mean?
I mean like what you can do and you cannot do to keep your computer. For example, the first vocabulary list, what is
Dust.
dust? In the sentence, we must clean the computer from the dust, like that. And then avoid, right? Menolak kan. I think
Avoid, menghindari.
ya menghindari. We must Oh, we must avoid the wire. I mean the
Wire?
no. We must avoid uh the food and drink uh, around our computer. Kita harus menghindari makan dan minuman di sekitar komputer like that. Yes.
We keep the food stay away from the computer, you mean?
Yes, miss?
We keep the food away from the computers?
Yeah.
For health education, what do you do?
In health education,
Oh yes, just now English, the special activity
about we in this chapter we study about part of our house, and then we ask the student to draw about part in your house. Later you make the function of them.
health education.
Health education we study about keep away from germs, and then we have special activity about how to wash your hand. And then in special activity I take the student to the toilet later, so we so we wash our hand with the soap.
So if there is a wire in front of us and then it's close to the computer, what should we do?
Don't play with the wire
Why?
because that is so dangerous. That is so dangerous because the wire have electricity. Later you will sick. Later you will get room like that. So
Electric shock. You
yeah,
will get
electric shock. Like that is.
Okay, when something shows up, what is that?
When something shows up, appear.
The screen that appears when the computer is switched on.
Yes, miss.
The screen that appears when the computer is switched on.
Is switch on. Switch on. What miss? Repeat again.
The screen that appears when the computer is switched on.
Desktop.
The small items appearing on the desktop.
Icon.
So what are the examples of some objects that can be attracted by a magnet or that cannot be attracted by the magnet?
Okay. The object can attract by magnet or can attract by magnet or steel and iron, and then cannot attract by magnet or plastic, wood, glass, paper, rock.
Okay. So strong metal for tools is called as a
Steel.
How many kinds of magnet that you have explained?
There are four. There are four magnet. There are rod magnet, and then U-shaped magnet, button magnet, and then ring magnet.
How do you explain that they are different?
Because they have a different shape and size.
So
So-
rod magnet, the shape like
The shape like bar magnet. In bahasa kayak seperti magnet batang like that. The bar magnet. So and then the button magnet, the shape like button. Do you know button? Tombol like that. And then the ring magnet, the shape like ring. Do you know ring? Like that. And then U-shape magnet. You can see the picture like letter U in alphabet, right?
Apa saja benda langit?
Benda langit yang bisa dilihat. Matahari, bintang, dan bulan.
Awan itu termasuk benda langit atau tidak?
Tidak.
Jadi
Awan itu tidak termasuk benda langit, tapi dia termasuk eh, dia tidak benda langit, tapi dia berada di atas langit karena adanya suatu proses alam seperti itu. Ada proses alam dulu maka dia bisa terbentuk. Kalau bintang, langit, dan bulan itu kan memang sudah ada di situ di atas di langit seperti itu.
bulan yang terlihat seperti sabit, apa itu namanya?
Bulan sabit
Kapan itu terjadi?
pada malam hari.
Berapa kali sebulan?
Berapa kali sebulan? Sekali dalam sebulan.
Ada, mencari memang sekali dalam sebulan.
Tidak waktunya tidak tertentu, pasti yang pasti dia ada dalam setiap bulan tapi dalam jangka waktu yang tidak tertentukan.
Bayang-bayang apa itu?
Bayang-bayang itu adalah gambar gelap bayang-bayang itu adalah gambar gelap yang terjadi pada siang hari.
Bayang-bayang pada siang hari.
Bayang-bayang, iya Mas. Gambar gelap akibat sinar matahari. Akibat cahaya atau sinar matahari seperti itu.
Dan pada siang hari.
Iya.
Globe apa itu?
Globe itu adalah suatu benda yang menyerupai bumi. Tiruan bumi seperti itu.
Kelap-kelip, berkelap-kelip.
Kelap-kelip itu adalah cahaya yang terang dan gelap.
Terang dan gelap.
Cahaya yang terang lalu gelap. Cahaya yang terang lalu redup.
Poros.
Poros itu adalah garis tempat di mana bumi berputar.
Alun-alun.
Alun-alun adalah tempat terbuka untuk berkumpul.
What is tent?
Tent is portable shelter made of fabric.
What is cave house?
Cave house is the house built in the cave.
Okay. Alright, I think that's all for the evaluation for today, Miss. But for science, it's not really complete. I think that the definition of the how to say that, the magnet, maybe you can give some more extra explanation to them to make them understand that more, right? And then about the bayang-bayang, it's not only happening in the afternoon, it can happen at night as well. Okay, but I mean like this, before you explain maybe in front of the students, make sure that your explanation is correct, is true. I mean like that, only that. For the rest, nothing problem. So you pass in this evaluation.
Thank you, Miss.